The knoll, a gentle rise in the rugged Tehama landscape, served as the silent conductor of Studio Schicketanz's vision for House 1. It was not a matter of imposing a structure upon the land, but rather coaxing one from its very essence. The architects began by clearing the knoll, revealing its inherent contours and allowing the natural world to dictate the building's form. This deliberate act of deference set the stage for a dwelling that felt less like a man-made construct and more like an organic extension of the surrounding environment, a testament to the symbiotic potential between architecture and ecology. From the knoll's heart, textured stone walls, hewn from the very earth, began their ascent. These walls, rough and time-worn, provided a grounding presence, a visual anchor that rooted the house to its place. Controlled cement steps, smooth and precise, offered a stark contrast, guiding the eye and the foot towards the crisply modernist structure that awaited. The cantilevered roof, a bold stroke of geometric precision, extended outwards, casting a shaded penumbra that softened the harsh Californian sun and created a liminal space between the interior and exterior worlds. Everywhere, light played its vital role, dappling across the stone, reflecting off the expansive glass facade, and illuminating the intricate dance between nature and design. Inside, the palette remained restrained, a symphony of neutral tones that allowed the surrounding landscape to take center stage. Reclaimed teak flooring, warm and inviting, flowed seamlessly into a fir ceiling, creating a sense of continuity and natural elegance. The couple's curated art collection provided subtle pops of color and texture, while luxurious details, like an antique dresser and a smooth, round tub, added a touch of refined comfort. The seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces was paramount, achieved through the subtle delineation of doorways and enclosures. Sun and sky permeated every corner, blurring the lines between habitation and wilderness. Studio Schicketanz's design philosophy extended beyond mere aesthetics, delving into the very soul of the valley. Plaster, reclaimed wood, and hand-hewn details whispered tales of the region's history, embedding a sense of place within the modern structure. The interiors, designed to engage in effortless conversation with the exteriors, exuded a relaxed sensibility, a gentle softness that tempered the inherent rigidity of modernism. This delicate balance of rustic charm and contemporary elegance was a hallmark of the studio's approach, a testament to their ability to harmonize seemingly disparate elements into a cohesive whole. The house, nestled within Clint Eastwood's coveted Tehama development, represented a culmination of Studio Schicketanz's career-long exploration of the relationship between landscape, materials, form, and nature. Sleek plaster cubes, contrasting with the slick glass of the main living space, formed a courtyard, offering a tactile counterpoint to the panoramic views of the mountain range. Every detail, from the selection of materials to the placement of windows, was meticulously considered, creating a dialogue between the built environment and the natural world. The resulting aesthetic, a harmonious blend of rustic and modern influences, was a deeply felt expression of architecture as a living, breathing entity, one that resonated with the spirit of its surroundings. Ultimately, Tehama One House was more than just a dwelling. It was a testament to the power of architecture to transcend its functional purpose and become a conduit for experiencing the beauty and serenity of the natural world. It was a place where the boundaries between inside and outside dissolved, where light and shadow danced in perpetual motion, and where the spirit of the valley permeated every corner. It was, in essence, a masterclass in architectural integration, a profound exploration of the delicate balance between human habitation and the enduring majesty of nature.